Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you how you can create the facade. As you know, facade, this is main part in your building. This is face of your building, so you should work on it much higher than in other part of your building. As you see on the screen, we have some simplest modern facade now. So today we will do this facade, but I think I will do like a few tutorials about the facades, and we will start from that one. So I don't wanna waste your time. Let's get started. As you see here, I already did this facade. You can see the real picture here and the model here. Anyway, I will show you the, let's say we will do this part, and after that you just can copy and mirror, because all of elements here, it's just same. As you see, small, so tiny window here and biggest one here, and in this part it just mirror it. And the same thing here, biggest here, tiny here, biggest here. So just mirroring and copy it everywhere. Simple way, but still looks nice because it's not so symmetrical and your facade playing a bit so interesting. So let's start from the wall. Let's go back to the first level of the floor here. Now I'm choosing the wall and using CS. I just copy that type and place right here. Let's go back to the 3D view. As you see the wrong face orientate, just use the spacebar and we switch it on the other side. So now I will create this window. For that I need to go back to the first level. I need to choose the wall and let's go to the curtain wall storefront, this one, and let's place it somewhere here like this. So now I will go by Control Tab, and as you see this is totally wrong. I'll go to the front view to easy understand what I need, and let's select them. And what I need, actually I need 3 meter high, so unconnected height to 22,000. Oh, too much. 3,000 is maximum. So we did 3,000. Now we need to change the mullions. Let's create one more. I need one more mullion here in this side. So as you see, let's go inside in this curtain wall, and we see just beginning, and I don't need that. I need here the number 2. So for that we will go to addition type, and as you see here the maximum spacing and fixed distance. Let's duplicate and call it, let's leave it like storefront 2. No, let's write like window, sorry, window 2. Let's leave it like that, and we will change from the number, from the maximum spacing to fixed number, and here we will do same. Let's type it OK, and now we have here only one. I want on this part 2, as you can see here. Here I have one, and here the second. Now we need to change the space between them. It's easy. Let's leave like here 1,000, here 1,000, too much. Let's do 600 here. I think it will be enough. Oh, sorry. Unpin, and 600 here. So now it's much better. Now we need to put here the window. Between of them we need to delete this middle mullion. How to do that? Just click on the mullion, and here the remove segments. Remove 1, remove 2 and 3, and we don't have it now. Now just by using the tab key, choose this middle part, the panel, and let's change this panel to the window. You can download that window, or you can use the standard curtain windows from Revit. So let's put the window, here we are, and here I also need to create the panel, solid panel 1, and here I will create the solid panel 2, unpin it, and solid panel. As you see, it doesn't look like this window, because in my window it's not like this. So let's fix it up. Just click on this window, and here 2400. It's not like this, it's around 1800, and the height is maybe 1.5 meter this one, and 6 by 600, so it will be around 308. Let's type it, 308, base offset 0, and enter. So it looks now pretty same, but we need to change the mullion. Let's do it again. Let's choose this window, this mullion. Let's type 600. Okay, and here already 600. Now it looks kind of like this, but it's a bit smaller. Let's fix it up fast, like 3600. Yes, now it's, I think, same. 600 here. And yes, I think yes. Okay, now you know how we can create the window like that. And one thing more, as you see, my window it's a bit inside. How you can do that? Just let's go to the level 1. First I'll choose this window, and we now can fix it here. For example, here I can make like 300 inside in this part, so you can fix it up like this. What else you can do? Here I will do 210. Yes, in one line. And okay, I think it should be looks okay. Let's check it. Yes, I want to leave it like that. And here I'm using this for this round, this frame. I'm using the 550 millimeters by 500 millimeters. So how you can do that? Actually, you don't have it. You should create it. You can create it like this. I will close now this window, if you're okay, guys. I forgot how it's called. Anyway, I will do like that. So, okay, you go to the families. After that, rectangle mullion, and you will have this mullion. So just duplicate it and write here whatever you want, maybe 600. Okay, and after that, click on that and change. Sorry, like this. Double click and change 100 thickness to the 600, and okay, now we can, after unpin, or if you will choose the curtain wall, go to edit type, and here you can choose this one, 600. So you can change it if you want and create it. Okay, this is what about the curtain window. So it's not wall now, it's window, and it works very nice because when you're creating the facade like this, you will use the curtain wall. So what about the basket for the aircon? It's also easy. I have the basket, something like that. This is component. If I will go to component, I have already here, and this is a model in place. This is not model in place. This is component by face. So this component looking the face, and after that attaching that. So like this. Now I will use. And first we will create the elevation like 600, and this one, it's around, I don't know, it's around 50 1700. Yes, I'm right. And align. Let's use align and key tab like this. And you see now it's okay. And let's lock it. Now I need to change the height of that. Let's change it. So I will go to the inside. And this is my height. So I will duplicate it and change the height to 600. Okay, nice, pretty nice. So, and as you see, we get the window, something like that. And as you know, this window is more simple because you need only one frame and two solid panel. So in the next series, I will show you how you can create your own family to use it in, for example, this curtain panel. If you're interested, also I can show you how you can create your own aircon basket, or you just can leave some comments what you want, which panels you are interested in. Guys, you can share with me your favorite facade, and I will try to make it in Revit. So I think it's an interesting idea. If you think same like me, just thumbs up and like, share, whatever. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.